Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build an oxygen bubble in Galactic 1.12.2 on the moon. This video is going to still have the same issue as before, where there's full screen and the bars on the top and bottom. That's just an issue I currently can't fix, so you're going to have to deal with it, and I'm going to have to suffer with it. Anyways, let's get right into this video. So, as I mentioned, this is going to how to build an oxygen bubble. The first thing we're going to need to do is going to place our two power sources. For me, I'm just going to use two solar panels because it's pretty easy to use. And then we're going to take our wire from here, connect them together. Then build out one block here and place an oxygen bubble distributor. From here, you're going to turn around and actually place an oxygen collector. Make sure you turn around, otherwise it's not going to work. From here, you're then going to have to power it by connecting these wires here. Once connected, you're going to notice that there's not enough oxygen actually to provide it with. So this means you have to place down some trees, or in other words, leaves, as it needs. So I'm going to place down some grass blocks to place the trees on, like this. Place the trees, and then I'm going to bone meal them. So that way they grow. Bone meal here, then bone meal here. You already noticed that it's already going to start growing. Now if you want to make it a bit quicker, you can place down a bit of fueled oxygen, liquid oxygen. That'll make it grow faster. Plus it'll make it that way by the time this is empty, or by the time it's halfway full, it won't have to struggle. Because one thing I noticed, it likes to struggle a lot when trying to fill it with oxygen. And once you have that, there you go. You'll be able to breathe. If I switch to, actually I don't have it saved in here. If I go to, I believe, game mode, survival, I should be able to breathe normally. Yep, and you'll notice I don't have all oxygen stuff I need, no oxygen. And if I go out, I'm going to start to, die of no oxygen. Well, yeah, anyways, that's it. That's how you build an oxygen generator. Anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!